Hey guys, I'm Simone.
And I'm Crystal, and we are here from Infotainment.com, here with this week's Infotainment and Automobile Industry Update for the week of February 24th, 2020.
Last week, we told you about Polestar and their Android Automotive preview coming this week. Well, the company lived up to that hype, revealing their Precept concept car featuring Android Automotive. The vehicle will be at the Geneva Auto Show in March and is expected to be a big attraction. The electric vehicle features the use of sustainable materials and a cutting edge automated driving system that monitors the driver's health while driving. The vehicle can actually watch the driver's eyes to help avoid dangerous situations such as distraction or fatigue. The company's CEO touts the Precept as the prototype car of the future. You can check out more by going on YouTube.
Toyota and FCA have issued warnings that the recent coronavirus outbreak may have an impact on their businesses. Toyota said that the operations in its plants in Japan may be affected by the supply chain issues linked to the new coronavirus outbreak in the upcoming weeks. A Toyota spokesperson was quoted in Reuters as saying, quote, "We are receiving parts from China as normal for the moment, but we will assess the situation after the week of March 2nd. FCA said in its annual report filing that, quote, the ultimate severity of the coronavirus outbreak is uncertain at this time, and therefore we cannot predict the impact it may have on our end markets and our operations. However, the effect on our results could be material and adverse." The company went on to say disruption to the parts supply chain has forced it to temporarily close a factory in Europe and that the Chinese auto market has begun to experience reduced demand.
The National Transportation Safety Board blamed a fatal 2018 Tesla Model X crash on the vehicle's Autopilot driver assistance system and the driver who appears to be playing a game on his phone. The NTSB also took aim at the National Highway Transportation and Safety Association for not providing enough oversight of the autonomous driving system. The NTSB also warned that currently no self-driving cars exist that have been approved for the road. These systems, as of now, are solely for the purpose of assisting in driver safety, not complete autonomous driving as many believed.
And that's our update for this week. Be sure to follow us on Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, and YouTube at Infotainment.com. And be sure to visit our website at www.infotainment.com.
We'll see you next week.